If you want to download our electrical engineering app, you can visit our website electrical-engineering.app. It is specially designed for electrical engineering students. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine the value of RAB. Now this circuit is the combination of series and parallel resistors. So solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now as we can see, this 50 ohm and this 50 ohm are connected in series. So it will be simply 100 ohm. Again, this 60 ohm and 140 ohm are connected in series. So it will be simply 60 plus 140, 200 ohm. Now here 100 ohm, 200 ohm and this 200 ohm are now connected in parallel. So therefore 1 upon RAB is equal to 1 upon 100, 1 upon 100, then plus 1 upon 200, then plus now 1 upon 200. So if we solve this, we get 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 200 is 1 upon 50. So 1 upon 50 is the value of 1 upon RAB. But here we have to find the value of RAB. So RAB will be equal to 50 ohm. So this is how we can solve the series and parallel resistors problem, or this is how we can find equivalent resistance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.